Maxie, time to ride. What is going on here? Oh, well, something else I gotta fix. Hello YouTube. If you ever get in your Mazda 6, your 3rd gen, 2014, 15, 16, maybe 17, and you have one of these that slide like this one, and if you ever lift this up and you realize that you got a little bit more wiggle and jiggle than you did the day before, I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's a simple fix, free, cheap. Did I mention that it was free and cheap? I'll show you how to fix it right now. Alright, so of course we are in the back seat, and the panel we're going to be working on is going to be right here because the hinge is right here in this part. So what we're going to do, and it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty quick, you should be able to knock this out really fast, is that down here on the bottom of this panel, and I'll see if I can put you down there, see if you can see. All we're going to do is just right here on the bottom of this panel, there's like a little gap that you can kind of put your finger, and all we're going to do is we're going to take it, just slide your finger under here and just pull it straight out to the back. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna move you back up top real quick. Alright, and now that we have this panel loose, we're just gonna take it and just wiggle it off. And now we have the back panel loose, and this is where your vents come in from the front and out to help cool the passengers in the back. So we're gonna take this panel and just sit it to the side, and then what we're going to be looking at now is the issue at hand, which is going to be this pin right here. So I don't know if y'all, give y'all a little bit of light here. So the issue that we have is that when we lift this, we have a wobble, and if you look, you will see that you have a pin that's exposed here and you have a pin that's exposed there. So this is a very simple fix. We need the pin that's here to slide in to there. So all we're going to do, what I'm going to attempt to do right now, is slide that pin over. Well, I can't do it with my hands, so I will be right back. So I went and got a little bit of reinforcement. Just got a screwdriver, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, tap that bad boy flush. We don't see that pin anymore. And even though the left side is still good, I can still see that pin exposed. So while I'm in here, just gonna take that and just slide this pin right on in as well. And that is how you solve the opening issue that you may have. And now your armrest should go to function just as normal. It's that simple. So now that our armrest is fixed, we got the pin in there, we're just going to take your vent and we're going to install the top first, and we're just going to slide that into place and just give it a slight push, and you hear the snap. It is engaged, it is locked in, and now your armrest is fixed, reassembled. I feel the air coming out the vent, and it opens and does not wobble, and it closes as it should. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you fix your armrest. If it's a little wiggly, a little loose, a little jiggly, you remove that back panel, push those pins in, hopefully they're still, they haven't fallen out, and there you have it. You have a fixed armrest for free. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Enjoy your free fixed armrest.